let me start into this. Here is what is going on. This little project's been worrying me. Stevie, now we don't have the forestry machine, but here, Stevie Poopy Pants Doo-Doo Head has got in there and got a stick up in there. And look at this up here. That is the seal that keeps the grease in around the house. And he's gone in here and he's gouged it and tore up the seal with the sticks. So to put a new seal on, we're gonna have to split that dent in 2 pieces and pick it up. So I got a better solution, a more hillbilly-fied solution. So I bought a seal, and I'm gonna take a knife and I'm gonna cut it, and this is gonna be our savior. So we're gonna try this. Brrr! Bless America. Then we'll put it on and super glue it back together, and that's bound to be stronger than what factory was. Oh, just an FYI, it is nice today. Finally wearing a t-shirt today. And you better hope this don't work, because if it does work, I'm gonna get so arrogant. We got some kind of sealant they sent with us. Here's the old seal, the old butt joint there.
Well, they've made it together. They heated it or something.
Yeah, vulcanized it. All right. Now, I got it to where it's not. So right now, well, before I do this, let me pull a little bit of the old one out and see how it goes. Pull some of this out. Yeah, he don't want to have to replace it, I promise you. So here's, yeah. So here it is. We're pulling it out, and there's the there's other damage on it too. Junkie, I think we got this, buddy.
I don't know. I looked at it a while ago. I thought goddamn man took some gasket seal and tried to fill up what it ripped out. He's trying to pull it out. There's a holding in there or not, probably.
Look at the chewed up spots from us stick gouging and stuff in here. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, put this up there. The moment of no return, we're getting ready to cut the brand new seal. Bound to be a good idea.
I don't know. Super glue.
And the flippy flop goes up like so. So, and as long as we don't turn it, and I hand it to you around there like this from the other side, and it should go. And we need to keep the butt joint out of the mud there and grease. Oh, here goes nothing. You red eye? Boy, it's a cutting right through it. Probably should have done like a diagonal slit to help it with.
Would have been better.
Okay. So when it goes in, it's going like here. All right, I'm gonna hand him over to you.
Where you want me at?
On the other end. Then take him around, don't twist him. Take him around, swing him back around to me. And then we'll glue him back together. He needs to go around exactly like that. Looking good. Before you hand it to me, I'll take the super duper glue. Wasn't so busy playing larger weight junkie. What did Joni say about the having the phones at work? She's gonna take them away.
Well, that should be straight. I handed it back to you the same way. I'll tell you. Do you think we ought to slide it up over that before we?
No, because I think we'll just.
You think we can work it up over top of the big?
Yeah, no, we didn't twist it none, so we should be good. I'm just going to glue it right together. Surely nothing. What could go wrong, Junkie?
Well, what I'm talking about is these bottom bolts here. Look how much further you're sticking out, 2 inches.
Yeah, but it ought to go right.
You think we won't pull it back?
Yeah. Do you look straight all the way around your side? I'm straight over here, as far as not twisted.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, well, here comes the super glue. Right or wrong?
We're tied against that. I don't know where we can pull it out 2 inches or not. But I have to raise it up over. That's what I was talking about.
Well, I don't know how the rubber's doing. My hand stuck to it.
They're going home with a fucking rubber seal hooked to your hand. Oh, you got plenty back there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. I was thinking it was damn near tied all the way around.
Junkie, I think it's gonna work fine. You remember us doing this at old Cerakote cylinders?
Yeah.
Remember I'd get them seals that wouldn't be right and I'd glue 2 of them. I'd take 2 seals, I'd cut the old seal and stretch them out and put 2 seals together to make a seal.
Yep.
And we never had a cylinder leak going together like that yet. Boy, it's all over my finger. My finger's up. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. Go around your side. There's your joint. Now I'll move this joint over to the side of the track where it don't get so much gouging going on. This is gonna work slicker than slicker than
I hope so.
a Minner's Wee Whopper. I don't think I'm gonna put that sealant they had up in there. I don't see why I would.
Yeah, the only thing I could figure out to put that in there to hold the seal in. That's gonna be a motherfucker to job that little piece back up in there.
Well, once we start it, see, it'll go right in, but if we gotta do this again, I don't want that sealant holding that seal in where we come take it out in pieces. I think we'll just stick her in dry so we can hear it squeak. Junkie?
I'm around to the side.
Yeah, if you bring it around to me, I'll give me a tail and all. Oh, yeah? You're just going out there going to do jump rope with it, huh? That is a long seal now. Guy don't realize how big a diameter them house bearings are until he does something like this, does he? See, now I got something going on there because the seal's kind of coming, either it's a coming apart or is that part of their sealant?
Sealant stuff we had on it.
No, it's part of the seal.
Part of the seal currently.
I don't know how much longer we need for this super glue to dry, but I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna pull that splice down around the side of the rig. And then up and in we go. There goes the knitting. I think one of the things would be not to pull it tight as we put it in, just kind of put it in and let it do its thing. And try to clean it off as we stick him in, I guess. Probably need a little poker to poke him in. I'm gonna use my multi-tool.
The hard part's going to be working up the other side.
Well, I think I might have her started. Oh. Well, not none too good, I'll tell you that much. I'll probably better get some lube and put on.
Hey there.
Yes, sir?
run it backwards? Don't this
No, no.
This outside goes in, don't it?
Nope, that's the way it should be. Let me lube this around here. Well, I think I'm past the halfway point. Let me get started around and we'll just take it around your way. Here. It's just gonna suck getting it started. Once we get it started, it'll be fun. Hey, I got her started, by golly. Oh, that looks real good.
I think whoever come up with that fucking idea would have had a better fucking idea on that.
Hey, it beats having to take the cab off.
Yeah, it does beat that. Go around and take it in the other side part there.
All I'm doing is poking it in here and starting around it. We lubed it up. Now, what we got to watch there is we get the end of this not to end up with a daggone bubble. We'll see how that works out. All the way around, we just took a screwdriver and popped it in. And it turned out good, but I thought I better share this in case anybody else is in our situation. Don't let that go, man. That is bad. Way too much to lose and way too little to gain by running it. That went slick. It took what, Junkie? 5 minutes? 10? Probably 5 to 10 minutes to go around there poking it in. 10 max.
Took longer to clean the fucking grease off and get
Yeah.
it out than did to put it back.
Yeah.